guys, it's Baylor, and today we're going to be making slime again, but this time we have special beads. And so we're going to make clear slime, but I noticed I don't want to make transparent slime, I want to make clear slime. So we got the borax and we're going to make yellow clear slime. And we do have special beads for this. We have these little, she's cutting it. We have these little stars right here. Nice sprinkly stars. So once again, first we have to add the glue. And I don't want to make a lot of glue. Oh yeah, and I have Callie making slime with me today. So first, what we're gonna do, Callie, is we're gonna get the glue. Yep. So first we're gonna get the glue. And this is ideal for slime making.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to.
So we're going to make a little more than last time, but still not that much more. So what I really need is a spoon, one of those rubber orange spoons. I'm basically signaling my mom to get a spoon. Same with this sparkly stuff. So first we gotta add some of the food dye.
Yeah.
Now my first time making slime.
Okay.
Okay, ready? So Callie's gonna help. You gotta squeeze it a little. Let's do a drop and then see how. Okay. So I'll drop a drop. Yep. Just stir this. Hopefully it'll get a nice pretty yellow, right, Callie?
Yeah.
I'm sorry you guys can't see her. My camera's not big enough. Okay, I really have a feeling that you can put... I feel like when you stir clear glue, it turns into slime. It was the same thing with my last one. I just added this stuff and some shaving cream, and it was already turning into slime a little bit. So that was a little crazy. But this is kind of turning into slime already. So next, I think we're gonna add, no, we don't need one more drop. Okay, so this is the next, it actually kind of looks kind of green.
Yeah.
Good for slime. Yeah, it looks kind of green, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Alright, so now we're gonna only add a teeny bit of this. So still a lot, but just not the whole thing.
Yeah,
that's probably good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can
So
I
here
stir
is.
this side?
Let her stir a little.
Okay, I'll let her stir a little.
There you go, stir
It's
it.
good. Don't let it touch the sides. Okay, so now we have all the stuff stirred in.
Yeah.
I think it's time to make it actually slime.
Put it right here.
No, we can't put it in the borax solution. Oh, I spilled a little.
It's okay.
Okay.
Why did you fill it up?
Sorry, because it said 1 cup.
Watch out. Let's clean this up.
You got half a teaspoon. Yeah, those start mixing, don't you? Okay, it's about coming into slime.
Yes, it
Here
is.
it goes. Kind of turn it. And this is only half a teaspoon, so it's not a lot, but still kind of turning into slime. So we're probably going to add more than a teaspoon at least, to make this slime. So it's already turning into slime a little. It reminds me of boogers.
Okay.
So the slime is going well.
Maybe.
Ooh, you can feel the sparkle. It's still very sticky. So hopefully this will...
Maybe in the next stairs we can make blue slime. We go down.
Yeah, isn't blue your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this time we made yellow, which is my favorite